Welcome to the Stitch Cafe. Today we're going to make a baby hat. I am using Lion Brand yarn Ice Cream Big Scoop. It is a weight of 3 light. You will need a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and the size hook I'm using for this project is a size G. To begin, you're going to chain 35 stitches, and then you're going to chain an extra one for turning, and you're going to do a single crochet stitch all the way back. I'm getting ready to start my second row, so I'm going to chain the turning stitch there, and then I'm going to go in the back loop. The back loop is the stitch right here. So I'm going to do a single crochet stitch all the way down in the back loop. You're going to do that for 56 rows. When you get done, your rows will look like this. The hills represent 2 rows. So you have a row here and a row here. So each hill is 2. So once you do your 56 rows, you will sew the first row and the last row together, which will give you then this tube. Now I'm at the point where I'm going to sew or gather the top of my hat. I put a knot here so when I pull it doesn't gather all these stitches in the seam. So I'm just going to stitch these together. I'm just being consistent with the stitch I am picking up here to gather. It's up to you how you want to gather the top. If you hear that bell ringing, that's my kitty cat. She wants to be a YouTube star too. So we're just going to pick up these stitches. Yeah, the bell makes me think she's a reindeer. Just going to pick up these stitches. So, as I'm picking up the stitches, I am gathering it. Got a few more stitches here to pick up. Each person has their own way of how they want to gather, so I've gathered that there. I'm going to put my needle down the middle of this here, as you can see. I'll turn my hat wrong side out. And then I would tie this off and weave in my ends. And then turn my hat right side out. And then pull up my edge. And there is my baby hat. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.